Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video we will be showing you how to make money using Big Cartel. Big Cartel is a store. So if you are looking to start an online store to sell goods, Big Cartel is a great option to consider. Here are 10 ways to use Big Cartel to make money. The first way is to sell your own products. The most straightforward way to make money in Big Cartel is to sell products. Well, whether it's handmade, jewelry, vintage, clothing, or original artwork, you can set up an online store and start making sales. The second way is the drop shipping. If you don't have the resources to create your own products, you can use drop shipping to sell products from other companies. You will list the products on your Big Cartel store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ship the products directly to them. So the third way is print on demand. With print on demand services, you can create custom design for t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and other products. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped on demand, eliminating the need for inventory. The fourth way is digital products. If you are a graphic designer, a writer, a musician, you can sell digital products like ebooks, music downloads, or printable artwork to Big Cartel. The fifth way is subscription box. If you have a niche product that people are passionate about, consider creating a subscription box service. Customer pays a monthly fee to receive a box of curated items on a regular basis. The sixth way is limited edition releases. Creating limited edition products can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, which can drive sales. Use Big Cartel to create a limited run of a product and market it as a special release. The seventh way is merchandise for a fan base. If you have a strong social media presence or a devoted fan base, consider creating merchandise like t-shirts, posters, or stickers that cater to their interests. The eighth way is custom commissions. If you are an artist, designer, or something else, consider offering custom commission through your Big Cartel store. Customers can pay for personalized artwork or design created just for them. The ninth way is wholesale. If you have popular products that's in demand, you can sell it wholesale to other retailers. Use Big Cartel to set up a wholesale section of your store and offer bulk discounts to buyers. The last way is event tickets. If you are hosting an event like a concert, workshop, or meetup, sell tickets through your Big Cartel store. You can also offer merchandise like t-shirts or posters as an add-on to ticket purchases. So Big Cartel is a versatile platform that can accommodate a variety of business and products with a bit of creativity and marketing savvy. You can use it to make money and grow your brand. So here, after creating your account, you can get started with your checklist. Here you have to verify your location and currency to complete all the setup and access to the shop. The second way is to add your first product. The third step is to explore shipping profiles, then connect your payment method, and design your shop and launch your shop is the last step. Then your shop will be ready and people can shop from you. So here is how your shop will look like. We have your username. You can add shop description, the email. You should verify your email is verified. You can edit your profile. You can log out from here. You can enable or disable your shop. Mine is under maintenance mode. So if I turn maintenance off, my shop will be appeared on Big Cartel store. So here we have the country, the time zone, the currency. How would I get paid? We have tax, billing. You can set plans and others. You have the security, the devices, and let's see plans here. So we have the gold, the platinum, and the diamond. Seems like we are playing Minecraft here. So the gold have 5 products, limited features. The platinum 15 products, premium feature, and the diamond has 500 products plus premium features. Wow, a lot of information, right? Here to close your shop, you have back to the account. Here, if you ordered anything, here you see your products, and if you enable it or disable it, the discount. And here is your dashboard. And here the main home for Big Cartel. It's an easy store for artists and makers and designers to create a website, a store, and manage their content. Here we have the premium features, the gold, and something made for makers, your custom shop, the tools you need, and open your store. Here we have some examples. You can write something about yourself, put a picture on your magazine, and this sell something to do with the category you are selling. So those are some arts that people are selling. So overall, Big Cartel is a great way to start your free business. If you have no if you have time and an experience or an expertise in design, you can start selling your account. You can use integration with other websites like Canva to design, to create a design and put it on Big Cartel. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on another video.